Hello, first graders. All right, we're going to do Unit 4, Week 1, Day 4. We're going to warm up with our letters and our sounds. Here we go. W, M, B, O, A, J, N, D, E, T, G, Y, Qu, I, A, All right, first graders, we're going to warm up with our vowels. Are you ready? Get your finger ready. We're going to do A first. Apple, A, E, I, I, O, octopus, A, U, Good job, first graders. All right, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to talk about we're going to practice some more tricky words. Are you ready? All right. I do, you do, we do. Are you ready? CK, sock. O, octopus, aw. Don't forget that's a vowel. SH, ship, shh. The diagraph. T, top, sh. Here's another vowel. E, ed, eh. WH, whistle, w. That's a diagraph. L, lamp, o. I, itch, I. CH, chin, ch. In, nut, n. TH, thumb, U, up, A, apple, a. All right, guys, we're going to do our trick words of the week. Here we go. This word was I. Everyone say I. This word was they. Everybody say they. All right, let's go back and let's skywrite this one. Let's do I. Ready? Here we go. I. All right, let's do the next one. They. Let's write in the air. T-H-E-Y. Maybe later you guys can write it with chalk or rainbow write these trick words to practice them. All right, here's our next one. We're going to read some sentences that have the trick words in them. Put your finger on the first word. Here we go. I had fun. Let's count how many words are in this sentence. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's find the trick words. The trick word in this sentence is, all right, let's find that trick word. If you said I, you are right. There's I. All right, let's read the next one. They had fun. All right, let's count how many words. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's find that trick word. What trick word did we say? If you said they, you are right. Good job. All right, let's review our words of the day. Here we go. This word is thick. Thick. Let's tap it out. Are you ready? Thick. If I was going to mark this word, I would mark it like this. I would underline the diagraph. Ooh, and here's a CK. and I would put a brief above the short I. Thick. All right, let's do our next word. Let's tap it out. Get your tappers ready. Here we go. Shut. Shut. All right, let's write shut. S-H-U-T. All right, let's mark it. If I were going to mark this, I would mark the diagram. I would underline it, and I have a short vowel that go Good job. All right, let's do the next one. Get your tappers ready. Here we go. Much. All right, first graders. Let's mark it. Here we go. I have a digraph, so I'm going to mark this CH. And I have a short vowel, so I'm going to put a brief above the short vowel. All right, that word is much. All right, here's the next one. We're going to do quit. Let's tap it. Quit. All right, first graders. Let's write it and mark it. Q-U-I-T. All right, we're going to mark it. Q-U-I-T. I is a short vowel, so we're going to put a brief above the short vowel. All right, let's do the next one. The next word, let's tap it out. Here we go. Fix. All right, let's spell it F-I-X. All right, let's mark it. We're going to mark the short vowel with a brief. All right, next word. This word is miss. Let's tap it out. Miss. All right, I'm right. M-I-S-S. All right, we have a bonus letter and a short vowel. Let's start with our short vowel. Our short vowel is I. So I'm going to put a brief above the short vowel. And I have a bonus letter. It came after a short vowel, so I'm going to put a star above the S. All right, let's do our next word. Our next word is fill. Are you ready? Get your tappers ready, first graders. Fill. All right, let's mark the word. All right, we're going to put a brief above the short I. And I have a bonus letter, so I'm going to put a star above the L. Kiss your brains. You guys did fantastic tapping out those words. All right. One last thing we're going to do. We're going to write a sentence. I had fun. Let's count how many words are in that sentence. Ready? I had fun. Remember, when you write a sentence, you start with a capital letter at the beginning, finger spaces, and punctuation mark at the end. So I have a capital I. Let's read it together. Here we go. I had fun. All right, let's circle our trick word. Trick word in the sentence is I. All right, guys. Your job is to make rainbow write these words. So I want you to get a piece of paper out, and I want you to get 4 different colored crayons. All right. When you rainbow write the words,